welcome to The Angle. I am Muskan Mathur. Let's have a look onto the top headlines. PNB scam accused businessman Mehul Choksi caught in Dominica. At the same time, Choksi holds Antigua citizenship. World Health Organization (WHO) said that now only one variant of coronavirus is the matter of concern. MPC of the Reserve Bank of India discussed the improvements needed in the economy. Mini unlock in Rajasthan with revised guidelines, but the Jaipur collector urges citizens to follow the protocols. Will India get custody or will Mehul Choksi be sent to Antigua? A Dominica court will decide on whether Punjab National Bank (PNB) scam accused and fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi will be sent back to Antigua or given custody to Indian agencies. Last week, Mehul Choksi was caught in Dominica while fleeing from Antigua to Cuba. Mehul Choksi holds Antigua citizenship. At the same time, the team of CBI and ED has reached Dominica to bring back Choksi. The hearing in the extradition case of PNB scam accused Mehul Choksi in the court of Dominica was held today from 6:30 to 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. During this, the court will decide whether Choksi will be sent back to Antigua or custody will be handed over to India. Former CBI Director AP Singh told that as per the Interpol Red Corner notice, Mehul Choksi was extradited from Dominica at the same time as he was no legal authority there. But if the Dominica court finds the Choksi was kidnapped, he will be deported back to Antigua where he is currently as a citizen. Now only one variant of corona is fatal, WHO said. There has been a news of relief amid the second wave of corona epidemic in India. In fact, regarding the danger of variants of coronavirus found in India, the WHO said that now only one variant of Delta is a matter of concern, while the risk of other two strains are reduced. This variant of corona is known as B1.617. Due to this, there is a huge restriction in the second wave of corona in India. It is a triple mutant variant as it is a 3 species. WHO said that B1.617 is now a cause of concern for public health at large, while the rate of spread of infection in the other two forms is very low. WHO said that this variant is still VOC and we are monitoring the increased rate of infections due to this. An increasing case of infections in many countries due to this pattern. Studies on the impact of this pattern are highly priority for WHO now. Media will not be able to speak against Pakistan government and army. Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan, who is battling the corona epidemic, inflation and financial crisis, has found a way to avoid media sarcasm. This proposal is being opposed all over the country. Opposition parties Pakistan People Party and Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz has termed the proposal for the new law as media martial law, saying that it is a law of restriction on freedom and expression. The Imran government has proposed a merger of several previous laws related to media under the Pakistan Media Development Authority Ordinance 2021. Under this new law, the rules of print media from electronic media to digital media will be decided. The Imran government said that an authority will be formed under the new law which will decide the rules of all types of media in the country. Under the new rules, the same license will be required for the operation of newspaper and digital media in the country like TV channels. In this draft, it has also been said to fix rules regarding Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube channel, video blogs, etc. Is central bank giving gifts for cheap loans? The Monetary Policy Committee (MPC) of the Reserve Bank of India meets every 2 months. In this meeting, the improvement in the economy is discussed as well as interest rates are decided. The decision of the meeting of the committee chaired by RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das will come out on June 4. Experts believe that amid fears of the second wave of COVID-19, the rising inflation of bi-monthly reviews of RBI Monetary Policy Committee to be announced on Friday may keep the policy rates at the current level. PwC India leader Economy Advisory Services Ranan Banerjee said there is a risk of rising inflation due to higher petrol prices. At the same time, ICRE chief economist Aditi Nair also said that there is no clear position regarding economy activities during the corona period. Unless there are major changes in the vaccination process, we expect monetary policy to remain liberal in 2021. New laws do not apply to search engine. Google filed a petition. The new guidelines of the Government of India have come into force for social media and OTT platforms. After a few days of uproar, all social media companies have implemented the new rules on their platforms. Meanwhile, Google has said that the new rules of the Government of India do not apply to the search engines. Google has filed a petition in Delhi High Court asking that its case to be looked into separately. Google has said in its petition, it is a search engine and not a social media platform. The new laws do not apply to it. On this petition of Google, the Delhi High Court has sought answers for the central government and Delhi government. The next hearing of the case will be on July 27. Mini unlock started in Rajasthan from today with revised guidelines. The process of unlocking has started with the revised guidelines from today as the cases of corona infection has came down in Rajasthan. At the same time, markets have opened in the capital city Jaipur today after 46 days. Shops were opened from 6 am to 11 am today. Suggestions were given in the meeting to open the local market from 12 pm to 5 pm and to open restaurants, sweet shops and food item shops from 6 pm in the third phase. According to the Home Department, government offices will be able to open from 9:30 am to 4 pm with the presence of 25% personnel, and from 7 June, government offices will be able to open with 50% personnel capacity. Private offices can be opened till 2 pm with the percentage of 25% personnel following the corona protocol. At the same time, Jaipur Collector Antar Singh Nehra said that if the COVID protocol is violated, then according to the guidelines of the Home Department, the markets will be closed completely for 7 days again. Foreign vaccine companies can exempt trials in India. In view of the threat of second wave of corona and increasing cases, the government is only emphasizing on increasing the speed of vaccination. In such a situation, it is necessary to have more and more vaccine companies in India. Therefore, to increase the speed of vaccination, DCGI has taken a big decision. Till now, any foreign company had to conduct bridging trials before launching the anti-coronavirus vaccine in India. It tests the efficiency and safety for the vaccine on the limited number of local volunteers, which is now exempt for companies. To understand in simple language, the vaccine which have been received emergency use approval for the US FDA and the World Health Organization WHO will not have to go through a separate trial process in India. After allopathy, Baba Ramdev target astrology. Yoga Guru Swami Ramdev said that all the Muhurats have been made by God. Astrologers keep deceiving in the name of time clock Muhurat. This too is a whole 1 lakh crore industry. They tell fortunes while sitting. No one came to know when Modi ji stopped 500 and 1000 notes. No astrologer even told the corona is going to come. No one told that black fungus is also going to come after this. He said that no one has told Baba Ramdev is going to give the solution to corona with coronil. I speak purely Hindi and Sanskrit in between. I also hate English speaker. Because they used to say that speaking Hindi and Sanskrit cannot become a big man. Now Hindi and Sanskrit speakers have created such milestones that everyone says that one should study Hindi and one should study Sanskrit. He said that only those who study in Gurukul will run the country. I will tell after 20 to 25 years by using it. That's all for this bulletin. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.